你做才好。
等会儿啊，
开始了。
等会儿我连下来。
你别讲话就行。
Hello guys, today we have what?
开始。
Today we wanted to have a demo video for you to show how our Kumashape works. Firstly, let me introduce this Kumashape. This Kumashape is a technology. Exactly to speak, it is a technology combination of four technologies. For example, the first one is vacuum. Using vacuum, you can suck the fat or muscle into the handpieces. And the second technology is the infrared. Using the infrared, you can just heat up the temperature of the fat, and in order to remove such unwanted fat. And the third technology is rolling massage. Using this technology during the treatment, you can feel comfortable treatment. And the fourth technology is what, guys? Keep up. 说呀。
Infrared.
Infrared. Say. 说了，已经说了。
说了。
啊。
Massage roller, massage vacuum, RF radio frequency.
RF radio.
然后再讲两个手柄。行。
And this device we have two handpieces for the treatment. The first one is the big one. Using the big one, you can just use it for the treatment on the belly or thighs, and to realize the keep fitting or the body forming, body shaping. And using this small one, you can just use it for the parts of the arms, the backs, or the legs, and use it to make some lifting. And okay, now let me introduce how could we operate this device. Can you just make your camera near to the screen? Okay, here you can see our start interface of this device, and here you have two options. One is small handpiece for the arms, for the backs, for the face or neck, and the big one for the belly or for the thighs. And for example, now we choose this big one, enter, and here you can see the two different moves. The first one is smooth, and smooth here, and the second one is a shape. Using these two different moves, you can realize different treatments. For example, if we choose the smooth, and here we allow you to adjust the suction time and release time. And here you can adjust the vacuum. Here you can adjust the infrared. You can adjust the pulse. The pulse here means RF radio frequency. And setup, you can see the our engineer interface. But in the actual treatment, I don't think you have the necessary time to use this one, because that is for our engineers. So you don't have to worry about that. And here is standby. Here's ready. Before the treatment, you have to press this ready, and after you press this button, and you're free to go.
显示一下手柄怎么操工作的。
For example, when we have pressed the ready part, and you just put this trigger here, and you can see the rolling massage is working, and the red light is the so-called infrared light, and also you can feel the suction. Okay, and press once again, and it stops. You see? Yeah. As said above, using this four technology as a combination to remove the unwanted fat and realize the body shaping, the body form. Okay, this is the big one. Here you can see we have the steaming through 3 buttons. And using these 3 buttons, for example, standby, you can still love.
应该让它是那个工作模式。
OK， 这不好使。
行了，
有人吗？有3个位置。
注重是往上传。
加小手柄。
OK，
Small handle.
the small handle. For example, we go back. Yeah, we choose this small one, enter, and here you can see also the different modes, smooth and shape. Here, and you can adjust the vacuum, infrared, RF, and so on. For example, here you can see. Pull the trigger. You can see the infrared, RF, and the vacuum. Just as a tip, here the small handpiece, it doesn't have the rolling massage. Okay, this is the sole difference between the small one and the big one. And one small trigger, and then it stops.
That's all. I think next step is
Okay.
the operation.
Yeah. Well, I think next step we will enter the demo show. How could we use this machine to do a real treatment? Today I will your model, and now let me introduce our operator, Miss Liu. Okay, this is our beautiful.
Okay, 5 minutes later we will do the demo for
Okay.
Kumashape treatment.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
See you later.